In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Access. A table is the basic storage structure for your data, and setting it up well makes the rest of your database smoother. We'll cover two simple methods and a few quick follow-ups so you can organize information with confidence. First, create a table in an existing database. Open your Access database or create a new one. On the Create tab in the ribbon, in the Tables group, click Table. A blank table opens in Datasheet View with generic headers like Field 1 and Field 2. Datasheet View feels like a spreadsheet, so it's a comfortable place to start. Begin typing directly into the grid to enter records, and Access will automatically create the fields for you. When you need more fields, use the Click to Add drop-down at the top of the next empty column and choose what you want, such as text, number, date, time, currency, or yes/no. This lets you build out your structure quickly while you capture data. As you type, Access assigns data types based on your entries. Dates become date/time, numbers become number, and text becomes short text. It may also recognize currency and yes/no values. Keep your entries consistent so the automatic detection matches your intent, and try to stick to one type of value per column to avoid unexpected changes. When you're ready, press Ctrl+S to save and give the table a clear, descriptive name such as customers or orders. Good names make your database easier to navigate later. If you want more control before any data is entered, use Design View. Go back to the Create tab and choose Table Design. Define each field line by line. Enter the field name. Choose the data type like text, number, or date/time, and set a primary key if needed. The primary key uniquely identifies each record so you don't get duplicates. A simple numeric ID works well. Planning your fields up front helps enforce consistent formats and reduces cleanup later. When the structure looks right, save the table and give it a meaningful name. After the table is created, make a few quick adjustments as needed. Rename a field by right-clicking its column heading in Datasheet View. If a field's data type should change, use the ribbon controls in Datasheet View to update it. Just be mindful that changing types can affect existing values. And if your data already lives in a spreadsheet, import from Excel or other sources to create a table automatically. Choose the method that fits your workflow, save your changes, and you're ready to build the rest of your database on a solid foundation.